Hello everyone, if you're not getting the DLSS 4.5 update on your graphics card, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to force the new DLSS 4.5 update on your graphics card easily. So first off, you're going to open up the NVIDIA app, and once you open up the NVIDIA app, you're going to go into settings, and once you go into settings, you'll have this about button. You're going to click onto that, and then you're going to tick this checkbox which is saying opt in to access beta or experimental features. So once you click onto that checkbox, it will restart your NVIDIA app, and once it restarts the NVIDIA app, you'll have a GeForce Game Ready driver update here, and once you update your GeForce Game Ready driver, it will be updated to the new version 591.74. That version contains the DLSS 4.5 super resolution. As you can see under here in hardware, support for NVIDIA DLSS 4.5 super resolution. After that, you're just going to go into game, and you can either select any game from here and add DLSS 4.5 into that game, or you can just go into global settings, and then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down on the right menu, and once you scroll down on the right menu, you have DLSS override here. You're going to click on to global, and then what you're going to do is you're going to set the DLSS override model preset to latest and just click apply. And once you click apply, it will apply the DLSS 4.5 model on all of your games. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to force the new DLSS 4.5 update on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.